How long does it take to receive my Chase credit card PIN number after submitting a request?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important question that most new Chase credit card holders have. How long does it take to receive my Chase credit card PIN number after submitting a request? We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the timeline and what to expect.
What is a credit card PIN?
First, let's start by understanding what we're talking about. A credit card PIN, personal identification number, is a unique, secure code that you enter when making transactions, especially at ATMs or when making purchases in some countries outside the United States. It's an essential part of keeping your credit card transactions secure.
How do I request a PIN for my Chase credit card?
If you're a new Chase credit card holder, or you've forgotten your existing PIN, you'll need to request a new one. You can do this by calling the customer service number on the back of your Chase credit card. Follow the prompts to request a new PIN. Alternatively, you can make this request via Chase's online banking or mobile app if you're registered.
How long will it take to receive my PIN?
Now, the moment you've been waiting for. How long does it take to receive the PIN? After you've made a request, Chase typically sends the PIN by mail. This is for security reasons, to ensure the PIN isn't intercepted digitally. The exact timeline can depend on a few factors, including where you live and postal service efficiency, but generally, you can expect to receive your new PIN within 7 to 10 business days. So there you have it. Once you've requested a new PIN for your Chase credit card, you can anticipate its arrival in your mailbox within about a week or so. Remember, keeping your PIN safe is crucial to your credit card security. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the process and timeline for receiving your Chase credit card PIN. Until next time, stay safe and keep your finances secure.